Welcome to school too.
Hello, Butu.
Hello.
Matter of life and death. You reach like that? Hey! Oh, I dey come, you go see me now. The next person where you go see na me. I dey come. Hey! Oh!
Am I funny? Where you dey go? Why you dey rush like this?
I dey. I dey come out now.
Hey, you know wetin happen? Say that 100k wow, I suppose I go give you 50k for am. So that we dey pay am small like that. I did as I did like this.
No worry, bring am later.
I dey travel.
I say bring my money later.
Like that? Hey.
Dá mi lóhùn, jọ̀wọ́ dá mi lóhùn. Okay, call me Mr. Immaculate. Oh shit.
Jesus is Lord.
Who dey pursue you?
Now you call me. Say, na matter of life and death. Now make me come. Who die?
You just get one new babe. When I cash, do you understand? So I won't go see the girl. That's why I call you so maybe help me check this whether he size me well.
What? Funke?
Because of whether something size you, then make you call me, make me lock my shop.
No, you don't say now you understand all this girl.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
He says me, man, yeah, go see you, babe. This one a new girl.
Person we won't give me my 100,000 I pursue am. So I won't lock shop, so they can't see you. So now to come help you check size. You know the see road. You know the sister this thing no size you. Okay, you don't know your size. You define what he size you. I go show you what he size you.
Just let me check her now.
You will end up in McDonald's.
My pastor tell me say you go.
Child. I'll hit you with this one and the police will come here.
Check your size.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. School too.
We want to say a very big thank you for watching School 2. Thank you for your support, thank you for your prayers, and thank you for the subscribers. We love you, really appreciate it. Please keep subscribing.